One pretty vintage saree that made a big sensation in 1960s ன்னு சொல்லலாம். I am talking about pure silk organza Banarasi saree. So all these sarees comes in rich vibrant colors. நான் இன்னைக்கு drape பண்ணியிருக்கிற மாதிரி நல்ல ஒரு parrot green, அதில் கங்கா ஜமுனா border பனாரசி ஒர்க்கில் ஒரு பக்கம் ராணி pink and one side it is dark violet. Pallu is Rani pink and the blouse will be in violet. So all the sarees we have brought in will be very colorful. இது எல்லாமே நம்மளே customize பண்ண color combinations. For yellow lovers, don't miss out this saree. இந்த நல்ல bright yellowல one side it is violet and the other side it is violet and pink. Short and long border. The pallu will be in pink, heavy jacquard weaving style and blouse pink la vandrum. Next saree is for pastel lovers. Or mild rich pink, baby pink. Adula short and long border. One side it is red border and other side it is red and violet. Look at the combination. So idellame, as I told you, it's a customized color combination. So rare combinations, vintage combinations kondu varanungirakkaga we have brought in this colors, and this is the rich lavender with red pallu and a very classic Rani pink. Rani pink with violet border. Banarasi sareesல bright colors are very popular. So அதனால ராணி பிங்க்ல ஒரு சைடு வயலட்டும் ஒரு சைடில் green with violet combination இருக்கிற மாதிரி வியூ பண்ணியிருக்கோம். And this is the beautiful pallu, comes with the beautiful green blouse. And talking about the fall of the saree, these are super comfortable, rich fabric. This is pure Silk Mark certified silk saree. And if you know the price, you will be really surprised. So comment queens in the comment section to know the price details. Namaskaram.